Today, I will be talking about the provisions of the direct tax Vivad se Vishwas scheme 2024. This has been enacted by the Finance Number 2 Act 2024 and has become effective from the 1st of October 2024. According to the provisions of this act, there are four forms which are to be filled. Form 1, which is to be filled up by the applicant for giving the various details of the applicant as well as the declaration of the appeal which is pending before the appellate authorities. Form 2 is the certificate that the designated authority is to provide to the applicant. Form 3 is the intimation of payment made by the applicant, and Form 4 is the order that will be given by the department to the concerned applicant. Section 88 to Section 99, as well as the rules 1 to 10 of the Direct Tax Vivad se Vishwas Scheme 2024 are the entire provisions of the law which has been enacted by this Finance Number 2 Act of 2024. Any case which is pending before the authorities, which may be the Supreme Court of India, the High Courts, the Tribunal, the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, it can be brought within the ambits of this particular scheme. What is the amount that is required to be paid by the applicant? In case the appeal is filed after 31st of January 2020, then the appellate is required to pay an amount of the disputed tax along with 25% of the interest and penalty if the amount is paid within the 31st of December 2024. If it is paid after 31st of December, that is 1st of January 2025 onwards, then this amount becomes the disputed tax plus 10% of the disputed tax. And in case of interest and penalty, it is 30% of the total interest or penalty which is due. If the appeal has been filed prior to 31st of January 2020, then the amount of tax that is to be paid is the disputed amount plus 10% of the disputed amount if it is paid within the 31st of December 2024. And if it is paid after that, then 20% additionally to the disputed amount is to be paid. As regards the interest and penalty, it will be 30% if it is paid within 31st of December and 35% if it is paid after the 31st of December 2024. So this is the amount which is to be paid by the applicant. Now, what is the time limits? 15 days within which the authorities is going to give you the certificate after you have made the application. Once the certificate is received, you are supposed to pay the amount of the tax within 15 days. And after submission of the form intimating about the payment of the tax and the interest penalty, the designated authority will be issuing the order within 15 days of such intimation. This is the timeline that has been prescribed under the Act. How is it beneficial to the assessee? If you feel that there is no merit in your case, or if you feel that the amount does not justify continuing to remain in appeal, or if you want to clear off all the pending matters, you may opt for this scheme. The advantage that you are getting is that you are not having to pay 75% or 65%, as the case may be, of the interest or penalty that is due. Another advantage is that the department will not initiate any other proceedings in respect of the disputed matter.